Hello everybody, this is Nora with NEQ57 and I bring you a review of a beautiful set of gel nail polishes. Here they are by MODELONES, and I have to show you this packaging. The box is absolutely beautiful. It's like a bright neon orange. It really stands out. We have the beautiful queen bee here, and I'm going to talk about it. I'll show you this logo, how they use it. So on the box, before I open it, there are 36 different colors here. I have just about every color in the rainbow. And the back of the box, let me go ahead and turn it around. This is they're nicely neat packaged here. You have the ingredients of the polishes right here, so because that is important to a lot of people, but they are on the back of the box. You have directions, storage, and how to contact them on their social media. Okay, so let's do an unboxing here so you can see how nicely packed these are. And here they are. Yes, I have opened this because I've already done the swatches, and I rearranged them in the order that I have them on my color wheel that I'm about to show you. So I have them arranged in rainbow order, from purples, blue, greens, red, orange, yellows to, yeah, and then some pinks. Check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic thing out of here. Well, before I do that, let me show you what you can find in the box. There is a card here for a little free gift if you guys want to check it out. Okay, and you do have a small pamphlet for those that are new to gels and to how to do a proper application. There you go. Now this set consists of only colors, so there is not a base or a top coat here for finishing your manicure, just the colors. Check it out. I mean, just look at these labels. All right, let's go ahead and take these out of here. Okay, so here I have removed this plastic. This is what's holding the bottles. Let me go ahead and show you. That's how it's holding the bottles here in the box. I went ahead and removed it. Now I will go ahead and I'm going to go over this collection as to what you can expect, what is in here. I'm not going to do the individual swatches one at a time here for the time's sake. It's 36 different bottles, guys. I have a color wheel. I've already swatched the colors so you can see what they look like. The stickers here, the labels on top of the bottles, I will say not all of them are quite accurate, and okay, some of them seem to be a little lighter or off of what the actual color looks like for this particular collection. Now in here you can find there are 6 different glitters, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to point them out. So here's, let's say, well, starting with the purples here in this row, there's two. Well, there's a purple glitter, and this one is it's a holographic glitter. Within the blues, there is a blue glitter. There's no green glitters, but within these yellows, there is a gold glitter. And we have, this one was a yeah, there is a pink glitter. So there seems to be like some with, that you can pair up with the colors, as far as a glitter going, pairing up a glitter with a solid color. All the other gels are creams. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you. Let me grab a couple of them here. Okay, I'm going to bring you closer. And this one, the ingredients on the back label of the bottles, and that's good because you might not always keep the packaging. Check out the queen bee logo. Isn't that beautiful? It's a window to the bottle, so you can see the color and know what's in there. So you can tell that looks like this one. Yeah, it's the glitter. It's one that I pulled from the purple, and this one, it's one of the orange colors, 028. 5 or 0285. There it is. See, isn't that adorable? Let me grab, let's see, one of the yellows, and here's yellow. So yeah, this is your little window. The queen bee is a little window into the bottle so you can tell the colors. These bottles are 7 ml bottles, so they're not the super mini, they're not the full size, the 10 or 15, but they're somewhere in between. Let me go ahead and open this brush so you can see it. There it is. I swatched all of these. I opened all of them. They all swatched beautifully. No problems with streaks or very, very good viscosity in all of these. I love working with all of these. Let me show you this color wheels that I have here. Okay, so here they all are. I went ahead and, like I said, put them in order of the rainbows. Here are the purples. Starting with this first one right here, and I used it. There's that purple glitter with holographic. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. And then so here are your different shades of these purples. Okay, and it starts going into some lilacs. And then we have, this one is 0585. There's the label right there. I'm trying to get it to focus. There it is. So this one has a clear base with holographic glitters. And then I went into the blues. This is a beautiful blue. This is like a true navy blue, beautiful right there. And then this one goes into, I'm gonna say, a periwinkle, the light blue. And there's the range of blues right there. And then this beautiful glitter blue. Then it starts going, we have a couple of, these are more like either turquoise or aquas. Mints, they also like go into the mint. This one looks more like a mint green. And then I have the green family right here. We have these two greens, and this one it's a neon, and you can see how bright the camera, it looks like you can barely tell the difference between the two, but in person you can tell they are different. And on this wheel I went ahead, I was able to fit the yellows right there. Two different shades of yellows. This one is the neon, so there are some neons in here, great colors for the summer. And this one's a little bit more pale. And this glitter here, so this is the gold. This is more of a metallic, or I should say the foil glitter is what this one is, not the chunky glitter. It's very the metallic glitter. For all of these I did 2 applications, okay, 2 coats. These are finished with 2 coats. They cured in the lamp for 30 seconds, and they're finished here on the wheel with a glossy gel top coat. So on this first wheel I have mostly, these are the cool shades, okay, with the greens, purples, and blues. Now let's go into the other color wheel, picking back up with the rainbow order. Here are the yellows, 2 shades of yellow. This one is a little bit mustardy. This one's a very bright yellow. Then we go into, this is a neon orange. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Look at this shade of orange here too. Gorgeous. We have a couple of corals, 2 shades of corals. Also gorgeous colors. This glitter here, so this one's like kind of like a very light gold, or you know, like a champagne color. I have it right next to this bright red. Gorgeous red. And here, so I was, oh, this is this right here, this pink is very neon pink. And then we have this like a deep magenta, and we have this this is a pink, but it's a toned down pink with right next to it we have a much brighter pink magenta, and this gorgeous glitter pink and a neon pink. Yes, there's the range of pinks right there, right from here where I have my finger all the way to here. So this is these are the warmer colors. Here was another shade of pink. This one tends to be, if you put it next to the corals, it looks pink. If you put it next to the pinks, it looks coral. Beautiful color, and a very pale pink right here. And then we have this pink glitter right here. It's a light pink. These glitters do have, the base of these glitters, this one, they do have color, so they're not clear. And we're back to the yellow. So this is this wheel. On this one I have mostly the warmer colors, pinks, reds, oranges, and yellows. Alright, so there you guys have it, a beautiful collection of colors. I wanted to go over the collection and let you know what to expect from the 36 colors. 7 of them are beautiful, just absolutely gorgeous glitters, holographic, other than this gold glitter right here. It's more of the foil glitter. This collection is available on Amazon. I will have the links down in the description bar below, so don't forget to check that. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank MODELONES for sending me this beautiful collection of gels to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.